This is my soon to be returned Robo Alive Python. It's 31 inches. It didn't make the cut. We've been had it for over a week now, and I was planning to keep it, but number one is Amazon shipped it. This is Amazon warehouse, and there's a crack. They shipped it with a crack. Taped it somewhere here, but it has a crack on it. Trust me. So that already turned me off because it was damaged. And you know, Amazon warehouse, they don't. It's really a crapshoot whether or not they're gonna inspect it correctly. It's right over here. This one. It's cracked right over here. Right here, there's a line. If you can see it, there's a line right there. I taped it. But the kids have had it for more than a week and they don't even touch it anymore. So I should just get my money back before this becomes more paperweight. But anyways, it was an interesting toy while it lasted, and sadly we have the dinos, those little dinos that move, but this can go back, and if they change their mind, we'll buy this again. But sadly, it only lasted a few days before the kids got bored of it. Gonna return it to Amazon. Gotta remember to take out the batteries too.